Hello world! On Entertainment Tonight News, look who's here! He is pretty in pink. Timothée Chalamet and Kylie Jenner celebrated their Valentine's Day internationally. The actor and the reality star attended the premiere of A Complete Unknown at the 75th Berlinale International Film Festival in Berlin, Germany, and to commemorate the holiday, Timothée walked the red carpet solo in head-to-toe pink. And despite the chilly 31-degree weather, the Oscar nominee removed his hoodie and posted in his tank top. Timothée was feeling his look as he shared pics from the premiere to Instagram, writing, "Happy Valentine's Day." Kylie prompted like the post. Valentine's Day for Timothée and Kylie. It written and felt that love is in their heart and soul. Happy day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!